Look at this. Ooh, Lord. Look at that pour. Blue chocolate. And get it nice and thick all around it, homeboy. Then pull out. Okay guys, now I get the colorful one. It's an expensive candy shop, okay? Trust me. You gotta take a bank loan just to buy candies here. And I coming around. Woo! Okay guys, now I got some sprinkling here. That's what I'm talking about right there. It's pink chocolate now, right? And so now we just come in with our little pinkish. Okay, there we go, there we go. Hey, I ain't no chef, okay? So I got my little degree from cordon red. Some people don't understand what I'm saying when I say cordon red. What does he mean by couldn't red? Cordon red, it's a school homeboy. We're competitors with cordon bleu. Mini waffle cones, you want a diet? Eat one of these. Okay, now let me get this all around the bottom like so. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Now we let our chocolate set, okay? Okay, homeboy, ice cream time. Guys, I go in with all the ice cream just because this is a big glass. Okay, we went all in. Now, gentlemen, strawberry vodka. 1, 2, 3. Come behind this with some strawberries and cream, Irish cream. All right, let's check this bad boy out. Guys, you ready for some nice thick ice cream? Look at this. Ooh, Lord. Look at that pour. That's what I'm talking about, son. That's gooey goodness up in here. Oh, yeah. Check this out. This is my little ice cream cone. Get my donut. Come behind this with some gumballs. I need pinks. Now I come in here with my little lollipop. Oh Lord, wait. Watch yourself, son. Now, I hit her with 2 straws, like so. Beautiful. And there you have it, the Candyland Freak Shake. Okay, loaded with candy and freakiness. It's blue and pink. Baby boy or baby girl. I'm non-binary, whatever you want to do. I had to suck hard, but I hit the bottom. As a little boy, I used to die for strawberry ice cream. And now as an adult, I have strawberry ice cream with booze in it, okay? That's adulting. Anyway, as always, drink responsibly, don't drink and drive, stay tipsy.